Check out that rainbow, guys. Self-made in the backyard. Pretty. It's cool. Maybe I'll find a pot of gold at the other side of the rainbow. Just enjoying another beautiful day, watering the plants. Nice and peaceful. Listen to the birds chirp and play their songs. The wind bell chimes. The doves. Just a beautiful sight indeed. It's something to appreciate each and every day when you can. Hope you guys are all having a great Friday. Mine's been really good. Having a peaceful day at home and taking care of the garden. It's funny, in my last video, my brother, he lives in Los Angeles, California. He saw my video. I'll be watering the plants. He's like, Lou, you sound like the Bob Ross of gardening. And I totally was laughing my butt off, and it was hilarious. So I don't know if I do or not, but tell me what you think. Thought it was kind of cool. I guess I took it as a compliment, because, you know, Bob Ross is a pretty cool, chill guy, and makes those nice paintings and pretty little trees and birds, and you know, it's really popular, obviously. I don't think he still does his show, but I've seen it a few times on TV. It was pretty peaceful and relaxing. And so is gardening. Well, didn't want to make this video too long. Just gonna slowly finish this backyard and then off to the next task. So hope you guys have a great Friday.